dirtier things we can do, but Andy Burke, hats off, buddy. Thanks for giving me that vlog.
Yep. Thank you, Bill, for... It's a nice one, too.
That's a fucking great...
That's a nice fish.
Couple of backflips.
Woo!
So, what you got? What's a steelhead?
Steelhead, baby.
We got bow tip out.
That was no tap either.
He crushed that, didn't he? You did send it upstream, but... My job is to point out, you know. You did a great job not fucking it up after that.
Thank you.
So yeah.
He's not ready.
No.
Nice one, Bill. Yeah. Can you make him jump again?
That's okay. I don't like that jump stuff.
Well, it's more epic when I'm filming you here.
Oh.
It's a wild one. Looks like it.
Yeah, that's a wild fish. Native hen, that's all we're getting.
That's all we're getting, yeah.
Woo! Glad I didn't fuck with that fish yet. Yeah, and if I fuck it up... Oh. It's alright.
Sorry, I got it on film.